Hey, Rainbow here. I'd like to introduce to you the Triumph Scrambler 400X. This bike is a marvel of modern engineering, and it's agile and stylish. Of course, it's a smaller bike. It's going to be agile. This is a bike that's not just built, but it's crafted by Triumph for riders who like to ride on every road and every adventure at a really good price. Now, with its unmistakable Triumph DNA, this Scrambler 400X, it redefines style. It's a seamless blend of classic Scrambler aesthetics with a modern custom twist, and it sets a new benchmark in motorcycle design. Handling is where the Scrambler 400X truly excels. Its dedicated chassis and tailored ergonomics, and trust me, I had some people sitting on it today and they said it's an extremely comfortable bike, and I can confirm that. It offers an unparalleled rider confidence and control and ensures that every ride is enjoyable as it is secure. The Scrambler 400X, it's not just about looks. It's about attitude, an attitude that speaks of freedom and versatility, perfectly suited for both city streets and rugged trails. It's a Triumph. Therefore, quality resonates in every inch of this Scrambler 400X, from its finely crafted bodywork to the premium finishes that bear the hallmark of Triumph's iconic Scrambler lineage. Now, this bike absolutely offers the best-in-class specifications at a price in the United States of $5,595. The Scrambler 400X stands as an unbeatable value in its segment. Now, this bike, it's not just a means of transportation. It's an icon. It's a Triumph Scrambler. It's a statement of class-leading capability and that iconic Scrambler style, but it's been reimagined for a new generation of Triumph enthusiasts. And coming in at 400 cc's, this is a beginner bike, and it's for those who just want to enjoy themselves and don't need to go 120 miles an hour. Let's talk some tech specs. With this engine that is Euro 5 compliant, it is a 398cc TR series engine. It delivers a little over 39 horsepower. That's at 8,000 RPM, and it has a torque of 27.7 pound-feet, and you'll find that at 6,500 RPM. It has a Bosch electronic fuel injection system and an electronic throttle control, and that will ensure a very smooth and responsive ride for you. Now, the Scrambler 400X, it has a 6-speed gearbox with a torque assist clutch, so this ensures some more seamless power delivery. It has advanced traction control, believe it or not, and ride-by-wire throttle, and it all adds to the bike's very, very dynamic performance. Let's talk about the suspension. It is a very lightweight frame, bolt-on rear subframe, and a cast aluminum swing arm, and that is complemented in the rear by a 43 millimeter upside down forks in the front and a preload adjustable rear monoshock. Now, the front, you're not going to be able to adjust anything, but that monoshock, as expected, at the very least, it does have a preload adjustment, and that will allow you to make adjustments in that rear monoshock, providing exceptional handling across all terrains. 320 millimeter disc up front. Yep. Powerful radio caliper in the front. The Scrambler 400X, it ensures that you have superior braking performance. The bike features an analog speedometer integrated with a full-feature LCD display, and this offers riders all of the essential information literally at a glance. When you throw in the 10,000-mile service interval, this Triumph Scrambler 400X promises not just exhilarating rides, but also peace of mind. Tell me what you think. Let's comment below. Do you want to experience the perfect blend of style, performance, and value with the Triumph Scrambler 400X? And by the way, in the United States, available January of 2024. So we're less than a month away. This is Rainbow. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you very much, and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.